Hello, my name is Konrad Wenzel. I'm here on behalf of nFrames, a company from Stuttgart, Germany. And we developed a software solution, Sure. It's a solution that actually creates 3D surface models, 3D data through orthophotos, and 3D meshes from aerial images. It's particularly used for drone images, but also for aerial images up to countrywide production. We have customers that process millions of images per month. And for that, they actually need an engine that helps them to actually scale up, to actually build a big production, to operate in different hardware environments. And this year we are here with also a new LiDAR integration, new streaming formats to actually enable data dissemination in the web much better. And also, this all gives you an ability to create entire cities and entire countries in short months and bring this much faster as 3D content to your users. The INTERGEO is actually the leading exhibition for the geospatial industry, and most of our clients worldwide are actually coming to this place to in fact bring the know-how together, to also meet people, to actually shake hands, people from Asia, people from the US. And for us it is super important to actually, within the year, present new technologies that we have adopted as requests from our users.